In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your brand voice from text or a URL. In a world where AI content is everywhere, sounding like everyone won't cut it anymore. The feature brand voice turns your brand values, tone, and messaging into a reusable voice that you can pull into different features across the platform, for example, social media. When creating a post, you just toggle on brand voice. Whether you're creating a headline, a caption, or a full post, AI will now generate that content using your tone and messaging. Your voice becomes now part of every interaction, including conversation AI as well as voice AI. Whether it's chat or voice, the AI will sound more like you, which will improve trust amongst your audience. Let me show you how you can set this up. So first, click on marketing on the left, click on brand boards at the top, and then click on brand voice. Then click add brand voice, and then click text or URL. You can enter the brand name, for example, Tina's Voice. And then you can also add a description, for example, the mission, the values, or the tone of voice you would like your voice AI agent, the conversation AI agent to represent you, or even the social media content to be created with, for example, a direct tone, a no fluff or BS tone. Here you can see the description is not enough, then we're just going to pull down that text field and add a little bit more information. Once you've filled out your description, you can also add a URL. Now, you don't have to create a description. You can just put the URL as well. And it is recommended that you choose a page or URL that is content rich, so the bot has a lot of data to work with. Once done, simply hit continue and the CRM is creating your brand voice. Now here you can then edit your brand voice. You can edit the business information, the type of business that you're running, your company website, the contact email, the entire address, the phone number, business hours, then the tone of voice, the brand communication and personality. You click down the drop down menu and you can see everything that I have mentioned in that little description box has been added here. If you didn't add a description, you would still see those different options that you could select. I'm going to stay with what I've added before. Then there is much more information like the brand identity and market proposition, like the target audience, the customer pain points, your brand values, the brand promise, what your brand does, what makes you better than other competitors, the unique selling proposition, the risk of inaction. What does it cost your audience if they do not take the action, right? So if you're teaching how to make 10K with digital products per month, the cost of inaction would be, if you do not start creating your products and selling them, the cost of inaction is 10K per month. And then the call to actions. Once you're happy with everything, you can save the brand voice and all of our changes have been updated. Let's go back. And the very cool thing is you can create several different brand voices if you have different target audiences, for example. Now let's go to the social planner, click new post, create new post. Let's select Facebook in this case. And then right here, we can click AI, generate with AI. And then here you can see use brand voice is already turned on. If I had several different brand voices, they would show up here under the drop-down menu and you could just select that voice that you would like to use to create this particular Facebook post right now. So let's add a key message for the Facebook post. For example, creating digital products will set you free. And the goal for this Facebook post is download my free PDF linked below. Then the number of variations we would like to see is 3. Under additional options, you can choose, again, same as brand voice, and then any additional instructions you would like to give it. In this case, we're just going to leave it blank and hit generate. And ta-da, our 3 options are here. First variation, second variation, and third variation. Having a quick read through it, it is actually very direct and no fluff, exactly how I wanted it. If I like it, I just hit continue and then keep posting from here, scheduling it, send post for approval, and so on. If you wanted to edit or change something inside of that particular brand voice, you can of course go in and click the edit button. And remember, the best way to create and train your own voice AI is using a page that is rich of content that really represents your brand. And if you haven't signed up for HighLevel just yet, or you have and you want to upgrade, make sure to use my affiliate link, because this way you will be able to snag lots of different bonuses, which are also linked around this video. I will see you on the other side.